who said inexpensive goods couldn't be wholly useful. There are a lot of tech gadgets on the market that would make our life easier. Some of them you will see here and now. Then stay until the end of this video so you don't miss out on all the cool gadgets, and make sure the notification bell is activated on for future videos. Tying up rebar has never been easier with the Makita XR-T01. On a single 5.0 ampere-hour battery, this brushless 18-volt rebar tying tool can complete up to 5,000 bar ties in less than 1 second apiece. That's especially useful for long shifts. This is not the first cordless rebar tie tool to join the industry. However, keep in mind that it is manufactured by a large power tool company that also produces a wide range of other products. So you can be completely confident with this one. In this case, production is the main goal, and it delivers. You'll go through those ties considerably more quickly than you would manually. Composition shingles may be simply and precisely replaced. To make the task simpler, there is a 2-in-1 gadget that combines a pry bar with a nail holder. The Roof Snake's special offsetting nail slot feature assists you in positioning new nails so that they are properly spaced by 1 inch from the bottom border of your existing course. It also keeps you from overbending or accidentally hitting nearby shingles with your hammer, or worse, your fingers. Although working on a roof might be challenging, especially if you have to lug heavy tools up there, the Roof Snake makes it much easier. Its 33 centimeters in length, 34 grams in weight, and small size make this incredible tool extremely portable. All forms of light wall coiled tubing can be straightened with this innovative and reasonably priced pipe straightening tool. This tool's purpose is to give pipes the desired shape. The tube straightener is incredibly portable and suited for dealing with copper, aluminum, and steel pipes. It also doesn't need electricity since it is completely manual. The quick fix mechanism securely clamps the pipe, allowing you to quickly and easily set the proper bend by tightening just 1 screw. You may reduce unneeded motions by using the roller as well. The Shark Tooth Fixture Box is a product for mounting wall sconces, smoke detectors, and ceiling lighting. All you need is a drill and a few seconds to cut a hole. Conveniently, this tool has a piercing drill in the middle of the blade for precise placement. The unit offers surface mount setups in basement or attic studs using elevated fastening rings. It is designed with a hole saw and a 9x16 lug. The maximum load it can hold is 3 kilograms. Because it is composed of polycarbonate, it offers good thermal and impact resistance. At the same time, the structure is extremely light. The box is only 0.13 kilograms in weight. This cable tie gun from the British brand Connect Cable is made to cleanly trim off any excess nylon cable ties. After tightening the cables, you can do this without leaving any sharp angles behind. The tool is suitable for one-handed operation and limited access, especially for repetitive chores, such as organizing and gathering electrical cables. Additionally, it has a tension adjustment wheel with indicators to ensure the safety of more fragile objects, just like multicore cables, garden canes, branches, or vines. Applicable to any nylon cable tie that is 2.5 to 4.8 millimeters broad. It will enable you to quickly and neatly clip off any extra tie and firmly fasten it. A unique wheel may be used to easily change the tension, and there is also an auto disconnect feature. With the push of a button, the Maxima 8-outlet workshop power station transforms your workspace by adding outlets, USB ports, and more lighting. Any shop, warehouse, garage, basement, or office would benefit greatly from having one. Using the provided end caps, it can be wall-mounted or used independently. With a combined output of 1,000 lumens of 6,000K daylight, the potent work lights truly illuminate your area for the best working conditions. The lights may be turned 90 degrees up and down. Furthermore, the device includes a phone cradle where you can rest your smartphone while it charges or simply to keep it secure while you work. This powerful tool is adaptable and offers much more than a typical power strip. If you are liking this video, Don't forget to leave us a like and subscribe below for future videos. Storage problems occur at some point in any workplace, whether it is run by enthusiasts or professionals. You can orderly organize all of your tools in a small storage system with the Blue Cave storage system. To get started, just hang the system rail on the wall, clip the cases into place, and slip the drawers into the cases. This useful system's standout feature is its set of drawers, which have a load capacity of around 12 kilograms and can be utilized as both wall lockers and transport cases. A rail, 2 dividers, and a drawer are all included in the standard set. This model is quite customizable. It may easily be modified for a particular workshop and appeals to campers, hunters, fishermen, and handy people. The Wowstick Mini Screwdriver is the best product for those who need a portable, useful, and stylish tool. This device is unquestionably the most elegant one ever. It's something the one and only James Bond could have in his suit jacket. You could mistake it for a pen since it is so modest, light, and does not take up much space. Using it couldn't be easier. All you have to do is push and hold the button underneath your thumb. The drill comes with a set of 23 screw bits that can work with almost any type of material, such as metal, wood, paper, and plastic. The body is made out of beautiful aluminum with a smooth and sturdy finish, which gives it a really classy touch. This gives you the confidence that it will last for many years. Workbenches are nothing new, but it is difficult to locate a system that combines portability with multiple capabilities integrated into a single device. The Omni Table Workbench offers a 4-in-1 solution for tasks around the house for DIY projects or at work for more professional results. However, this item appears to be capable of far more than simply 4 things. The Omni Table can be used in 4 different ways: as a portable workbench, an adjustable scaffold, a dolly for transporting larger equipment, and a creeper for navigating lower environments. Also, when working, it might be difficult to remain close to a wall that has an electrical outlet. So this Worktable comes with a 110-volt power strip and 3 outlets to connect up to 3 tools, chargers, lights, or accessories. Simply attach an extension cord to the power strip. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, don't forget to leave us a like and comment, and subscribe below for future videos that would make your life easier.